unboxing the Freeguild Fusiliers today. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Cities of Sigmar Freeguild Fusiliers for Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones. And a big thank you to all of you here on YouTube clicking that membership button. Huge thank you to you all. So, Freeguild Fusiliers. We had a preview of this unit a while back, Nova Open, I do believe. We are looking at 11 Citadel miniatures. It is a fairly substantial looking unit. These ones are really cool. When we were first getting teased with this Cities of Sigmar reveal for their army, this was the unit that immediately caught my eye because it's just so darn cool. And there's something a little bit familiar about it. But otherwise, yeah, this one is really cool. Let's have a look at the back of the box. We are looking at, holy moly. I don't even know if there's any weapon options or anything like that. I don't know if the blades are an option, if like it matters. I have no idea. I have not had a look at these kits. I have not seen any kind of preview material on these things. Ooh, look at the standard bearer. Standard bearer is kind of cool. Where's the unit or who's this dude? Maybe he's just a loader duder? I don't know. Is there a unit champion thing guy person? Maybe that one? I don't know. One of them's got to be the champion, right? One of them's got to lead the unit because every unit in these fantasy type settings always has a leader. Maybe they're leaderless. I don't know. But either way, you know what? Maybe it's just the captain says, shoot over here, and they all just turn and shoot. I don't know. But either way, let's bust out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny and let's cut into this box. Let's get in. Let's get into this. Let's do it. That's pretty good. My blade cuts the other way. It's dull back here, and it cut. Oh my god! All right, you know what? Let's come in nice and close. Let's get some ASMR going. All right, let's dive in. Let's have a listen. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? Yeah, that's the stuff I'm talking about right there. Oh yeah. Let's dive in. Dive in. Dive. Yeah. I'm sure that's really loud for everybody. All right, so the Freeguild Fusiliers. Let's have a looky-loo inside. I like that the little tabs have the little symbols. Dive into this box. Dive. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are greeted with, looks like 3 frames, bag of bases, transfer sheet, and instruction guide. So let's have a look at the instruction guide. The instruction guide actually has some thickness. It's kind of interesting. We crack it open. We are looking at 10 28mm bases and 1 25mm base. It does look like there's some options. Oh, it's like a one gun and the multi-barreled gun. Is that right? Is that right? Interesting. So the first one we're looking at here is this one here with the big shield and the big, I don't know, quad gun. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know. Oh man, look at all the head options they have for this unit. Tons of heads, shields. Yeah, it looks like there's some different assemblies. That is interesting. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Or maybe it's just the unit. Maybe that's the unit leader. Because then everybody else seems to have pretty standard looking arrangements. Yeah, it looks like maybe you just get the head options, eh? Yeah. Looks like just maybe the head options. It's still really good. Don't get me wrong. The unit's fantastic looking. And the standard gets a couple options. Little flames, little gargoylians. Little ammo duder. The squire. Yeah, I assume that's who gets the 25mm. Actually, here, let's have a look. Yeah, he's on the 25mm. He's just a little feller. But yeah, pretty darn cool. Also got to look at the rules. That is the instruction guide. We get the Cities of Sigmar transfer sheet. I'm holding it upside down, of course, as I'm looking at it. I really find this one really interesting. It's a bit like old school transfer sheets where they had metallic elements on them. You can kind of see, if we make them dance in the light a little bit here. Just a little bit. You can see there's some gold reflecting here on the bottom. Yeah, it's very, very cool. I dig the fact that they have all the Cities of Sigmar images and everything on the transfer sheets. I think that is really, really cool. Yeah, pretty darn cool. Bag of bases and 3 frames. Ooh, man. Yeah, very cool. Yeah, we're gonna come in for a closer look on these in a moment. I think they're pretty darn interesting. Yeah. You know what? In fact, let's come in and have a closer look at these right now. All right, having a look at the Freeguild Fusiliers. Very, very cool. We're looking at the back of the heads. Front of shields, back of the heads. It's very cool. I like the shields. I like the shield designs. It's different. It's different. Why do they have chains on the bottom? For dragging along things? Typically, you would expect to see that kind of thing in, like, you know, World War kind of, you know, imagery and things like that, you know, where they're chains dragging along the ground to catch landmines, that kind of thing, right? But I don't think Cities of Sigmar are, you know, laying landmines down. I don't think they are. They could be. Ooh, that one's cool. Those heads are cool. Where are the other heads? Oh, yeah. Yes. A distinguished gentleman. Yeah, very, very cool. And you know, all these heads and everything like that, you know, they're all designed like these helmeted heads. You could put those on other kits. Just saying. Just saying. All right, next frame. Get the banner. Love all the details. Nice shoes. Yeah. I really enjoy all these guys. For whatever reason, Cities of Sigmar has just been really darn cool, and it has been speaking to me. It is speaking to me. It is, believe it or not. Yeah, I might have to. I know I say that all the time, but I'm serious. I'm serious this time. Yeah. Such fantastic work. I really dig all the details. Yeah. The models are really good. I just like the amount of, you know, movement and things like that, you know, in the poses and, you know, banners and flags and all that. It just has such a great sense, like you can imagine the battlefield, you know, and it has like, you know, smoke and carnage and, you know, all these things that are typically associated with battlefields. The horror. Yeah, these are really cool. Yeah. Great details. All right, let's check the other side. Yeah, these are really, really cool. Oh, man. Yeah. Oh, you know what we gotta do? We gotta do a sniff test. We gotta have a good little sniff around. It smells like gunpowder. Yeah, that's what I imagine the Cities of Sigmar and the Mortal Realms would smell like. And it didn't disappoint. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at the Freeguild Fusiliers for the Cities of Sigmar within Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones. And of course, everybody here on YouTube. Just click the memberships. Big thank you to you all for clicking that as well. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes a couple clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a fresh tip, just a tip, a quick tip, something about tips. Maybe a live stream, weigh the brush, paint and live stream, who knows. Maybe even a battle report. Warhammer Underworlds, Kill Team, 40k, Age of Sigmar. Who knows? Who even knows? Okay, bye.